Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, LED headlights, tires rear all season, privacy glass, front wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.